Did you know the real reason ancient Egyptians worshipped cats? Cats are cute, but for ancient Egyptians, they were more than just pets. They were protectors. Cats defended homes from pests like mice and snakes, which threatened precious food supplies. Their hunting prowess was so valued that harming a cat, even accidentally, was punishable by death. But it wasn't just about practicality. Cats were linked to the goddess Bastet, the deity of home, fertility, and protection. Owning a cat was seen as a divine blessing, bringing luck and safety to households. So next time you see a cat lounging around, remember, they once held the fate of ancient Egypt in their paws.